Namaste. First of all, I would like to thank GYSTB for giving me this opportunity to showcase my idea. My name is Hetratnibhai Patanwaria. I am studying in Standard 9 in Rajkot, Gujarat, India. My project is IV fluid bag controlling and monitoring system. Project ID is IAPE029. These all are my presentation contents, starting from introduction, then background and literature review, problem statement, proposed solution, demo, application, conclusion and future work, and references. Let's start from introduction. As we know, due to COVID-19 situation, the number of patients admitted rate is increased in hospitals, and IV fluid bag is provided to almost all patients, and it is difficult for the hospital care providers to monitor all patients' IV fluid bag. Therefore, in this project, we have developed smart hardware and software to control and monitor the IV fluid bag of each patient. Now, background and literature review. The basic tubing setup is given in figure 1. It can be seen that there are various parts such as injection port, sterile spike, backcheck valve, port, roller clamp, etc. The roller clamp is used to regulate the speed of IV infusion. To develop the code for any such applications, the basic language is C and C++. But now, the Python programming language is most popular and coding is quite easy. We can use infusion pump easily, but it increases the overall cost. Problem which we face. First, it is difficult to remember each patient's IV fluid bag empty time, and it creates panic situation and mismanagement in hospital. The solution is generate alert messages. Second, sometimes patient itself change the roller clamp speed in order to empty the IV fluid bag soon. The solution is introduced hardware. Proposed solution. With this basic equation, we have developed a code in Python and designed a GUI in PyQt software. It can be seen that we used a single stepper motor and rack and pinion based mechanism. Different step sizes of the stepper motor, the speed of IV fluid can be controlled as it adjusts the up-down position of the roller clamp. This is our circuit diagram. We have used a 24-volt power supply. The stepper motor driver has 4 connections: direction pin, enable pin, pulse pin, ground. It is connected with Raspberry Pi controller. This is our hardware prototype. Now, see results. This is our application's home page. Other step-by-step screenshots are given here. Let's start demo. This is our infusion setup. This is hardware stepper motor. Our roller clamp is fixed here. This is stepper motor driver, Raspberry Pi controller, and then power supply. This is our software demo, code developed in Python. This is our home page. When we press the start button, hospital name and number of floors box will appear. Suppose we enter hospital name as ABC, and then number of floors like 1, 2, 3, 4. The respective number of floors bed will appear. Suppose we enter 2 beds in first floor. When we press the next button, 2 beds detail will appear. Let's we enter first bed patient name as ABC, and then bottle volume 500 ml and droplet feed as 1. And when we press the start button, the hardware stepper motor will adjust at first position, and then timer will start. And when we press the pause button and adjust speed as 2 and press the start button, the stepper motor is going to home and then second position. And then timer will start. It is mainly applicable in small and big clinics, also applicable in hospitals where number of patients are more. Now, conclusion. The GUI is very simple and user-friendly. Also, it gives accurate results and good time accuracy. This entire system will reduce the mental stress of patients and his family, as they no need to worry about refilling the IV fluid bag, as well as patient interference with IV fluid bag can be avoided. Also, it is very helpful for the hospital care providers, as they no need to remind any patient's IV fluid bag empty time, and they can adjust or control the IV fluid bag automatically using software. Now, future work. We are improving our code to get accurate results and developing compact and cost-efficient model. Also, we are incorporating the various features like how many beds are occupied or vacant. It can show how many IV fluid bags are provided to patient. These all are the references. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.